Eyes left, everybody. Absolutely breathtaking. So the blade's operated by part of 2XL and a wide straight into a 70-degree right turn, climbing to about 1,000 feet before descending back towards the display line at a speed somewhere in the region of 160 to 180 knots. Straight after takeoff there, that very, very steep climb, about 45 degrees nose up initially, literally hanging it on the power as the aircraft had very little or no momentum at that stage. Plenty of power from the 4 Europrop International TP400 turboprop engines driving these very, very impressive looking propellers. As with other Airbus products, the manufacturing of the A400M, known to the RIAT as the Atlas, is of course a multinational effort in itself. All the major assemblies get flown to the Airbus final assembly plant in Seville in Spain. And the British contribution to the production effort is the outer wing box and the flaps, which are built at the plant at Stilton in Bristol. And some 30% of the complete structure of the A400M is made up of composites, which is more than any other large military aeroplane.
Yeah, absolutely. The design philosophy for the tactical environment is what makes this such an exciting aircraft to display. Side stick control coupled with advanced fly-by-wire, a flight envelope protection system giving virtually carefree handling. Unusually for a big aircraft like this, a head-up display enabling the pilots to keep their heads out of the cockpit all the time. And as you say, an extensive use of carbon fibre, giving the aircraft plus 2.5 G, up to 120 degrees angular bank and 60 degrees of pitch capability.
And another role of the A400M is air-to-air refuelling. At the upper end of the spectrum, it can refuel fighters, but it can also fly slowly enough, as we see here, to refuel helicopters.
Previous generations of tactical airlifters have got good tactical performance, perhaps not quite as good as the A400M, but cannot carry outside.
The RAF is working up to a full operational capability of the tactical role in 2021, once the fleet is complete, but they're working up to that with low-level missions, operations from austere strips, use of night vision goggles, and so forth, and enjoying the aircraft's manoeuvrability. Environment, you need an airlifter to be agile, don't you? It's not just something to haul these cars to somewhere around 250 to 280 knots, and a pull up to 45 to 50 degrees nose up, and then using all the capability to bank over to 120 degrees. And this is the sort of manoeuvre with a return to lower level afterwards that you may well use in a tactical environment in order to evade the attentions of ground-based threats. From Switzerland, Eduardo has been part of the A400M display crew at RIAT 4. Gary is doing the first A400M display this weekend. He's got a wide range of experience on the airshow circuit. He's displayed the Eurofighter Typhoon and trade shows. He's also flown Airbus